Funny how a man only thinks about the. You got a real big heart, but I'm looking at you. You got real big brains, but I'm looking at you. Girl, it ain't no pain in me looking at you.
I don't give a keep looking at my, cause it don't you wish your girlfriend was hot like me?
What you gonna do with all that junk inside your trunk?
If it's getting cold, reheat it. The first thing at Christmas that's such a pain to me is finding a Christmas tree. The second thing at Christmas that's such a pain to me,
rigging up the lights
and finding a Christmas tree. The third thing at Christmas that's such a pain to me,
hangovers, rigging up the lights
and finding a Christmas tree.
And I hope that you are having the time of your life, but think twice. That's my only advice. Come on now, who do you think you are? Bless your soul. You really think you're in control? Well, I think you're crazy. I think you're crazy. I think you're crazy.
Did I shave my legs for this? High on a hill with the lonely goat, lay, oh, lay, oh, lay, hoo. On back with the girl in goat, lay, oh, low. I'm feeling yummy head to toe. You see me, ain't got no patience, so let's go. You see me, I know I've been a real bad girl.
Now why the hell are they blinking?